Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and right here, let me go to the photo. As you can see, we've got those special types of the lines, which are called the grid line. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So let's start with opening the settings in the right upper corner. And now let's localize this reset option. Let's tap on it. Let's confirm it with OK. And as you can see, this is the first evidence that the reset option worked, because our device will ask us about the access to the location. So it's up to you whether you want to allow it or not. And here we've got the second evidence, so the green lines which are not visible. It basically means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.